Welcome to another episode of Pablo's Basement. So today we're going to talk about turning a 55-gallon fuel drum into a 55-gallon gas pump. Picked up some items here. I got a fuel pump from GPI Industries. Got a fuel filter that we're going to put on it. I've got a filtered vent that'll fit into our barrel. That's going to allow air to enter and it gets filtered out so dust and debris doesn't get in there. Got some Teflon tape and some Loctite thread sealant. Over here's our barrel. Picked up this from an old boy named Noah from Franklin. It's got a couple of bung holes on it. This one's a 2-incher. This is where a pump's going to install. They're threaded NPT. Here's our 1-inch, and that's where we're going to fill it up at the gas station, and that's where we're going to put our filter. So I'm going to get this stuff unboxed and start putting it together. All right, so we got all our pump components put together and installed on the barrel. We're out at the Busy Mart, filling it up. I'm gonna put 54 gallons in there. We're at 27. I'll show some more close-ups of the pump when we get it back in the basement. Here's the final product of our barrel pump. We've got the vent filter on here so that it can vent, and we've got the pump and the gas filter. It was all, I didn't go through the entire installation of it on here because it was all just NPT threaded pipe that we've used Loctite and a special Teflon on the connections. Pumps. I'll put links in the comments to the products we use. This is an 8-gallon per minute pump, so it's kind of equivalent to the rate you'd get out of a gas station pump. Works pretty well.